One of the most important issues facing the collision industry is advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS. ADAS systems are commonly known as blind spot detection, lane watch, intelligent cruise control, surround view monitoring systems, backup cameras, parking sensors, to name a few. Following a collision repair, these systems need to be coded and calibrated. Finding a shop who is certified in the brand you are driving is of the utmost importance. Certified shops possess the tooling, equipment, and training to calibrate these systems. Flower Hill Auto Body has over 25 OEM certifications. We set the standard in the collision repair industry by utilizing the latest technology and training to ensure a positive customer experience and a continued safe and proper repair. Flower Hill Auto Body is New York's leader in certified collision repair. Flower Hill Auto Body, quality and service when it matters most.